In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a license plate bracket on the front of this Ram 2500. Let's get started. Use a 10mm socket or a flathead screwdriver and remove the two screws that hold the plate bracket on the vehicle. If yours was damaged or broken, you'd already be at this step, so let's install the new plate bracket. Assuming you had your new one, put it up against the front bumper. You'll see the holes line up. Start in the two screws. Snug them up very gently. They are threading into plastic and you don't want to strip out that insert. That's tight. That's tight. There you have it. Now you would reattach your license plate with two screws on the bottom. It slides into the top with two little hooks.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.